Alright, Apex Comics here. Unboxing from Lonestar Comics, baby. Great place. Get comics for a really decent price. LoneStarComics.com, aka my comic shop. Look them up. Google it. You'll find them. It's a free plug. I don't get paid for this. Giving too many free plugs lately. I think Joe Biden gets free plugs. Oh, I like that joke. Oh, it's sort of like a Gemini mailer, but not really. It's a mock-up Gemini mailer by. Way to go, Lone Star. Damn it. This is a potpourri of stuff. Potpourri of stuff. Potpourri of stuff. Take this, don't want to dox myself. Oh! Oh, wow. I love these extra sleeves. I could put like larger books in them. What did Apex get? Hey, it's the Dick Ayers story. Don't know who Dick Ayers is. He's like an old Western comics guy from the old Atlas, early Marvel. Look him up. Google him. The Mecha Group. Yeah, he's like, man, he's been drawing several years. He passed away, I think, 2010. I don't know. Forget the year, but man, he's one of the greats. Oh, got a beautiful ash can. New Warriors ash can. Doc Savage, Man of Bronze, #2. Undersea Agent. Early Gale Kane. 60s Gil Kane art. You can tell it's styled Gil Kane. Chased by an underwater robot. Looks like he's character from the Yellow Submarine. Very trippy. I like it. You got the first appearance of Nightmaster, who is from Shadow Pact, right in the mid-2000s DC book. Got this for like $4. I got 19 to tag. What the hell is that? That's decent shape. On. Last but not least, Superman and Man-Bat. This was an appearance of oh yeah, the Detective Chimp. And already he appeared in Whatever Happened to Rex the Wonder Dog, right? Okay. So anyway, I like to check out. Well, what do I want to check out? Could check out some early Undersea Agent. Or you nice enthusiasts, you want to check out the ash can. I'll go do that first. I hear some people yelling at me. Take a look at the New Warriors. What does it look like? Editor humbly requests a moment of your time. Rob Toker is the editor. It's Night Thrasher here. Oh, greetings, warrior. Worshippers, I am Hindsight Lad, ally and confidant of the world-famous New Warriors. As their unofficial historian and poster boy, it is my sacred duty to fill you in on the team's incredible history. So join me, won't you, as I take a look at what I like to call team reflections. So, this is a nice little reflection piece of the New Warriors. Well, history. That's pretty cool. I don't want to read into it. But, it's a basic history of New Warriors, their adventures. Oh, that's pretty cool. This is an idea of an ashcan you could probably do if you had like back issues of your own book. Have a little reflection, a few pages of reflection. Ooh, Namorial looks Sexy. Namor's cousin. Speedball. He's got the long hair. So I think is this a wraparound? Wait a minute. Not really, no. This is done by some other artist. This hard. I can't tell what style it is. It's pretty cool. I like it. Let's dig into this undersea agent. Oh, screw it. Let's dig into Nightmaster. There's some people yelling at me in the comments. Nightmaster! Alright. There's a background. Dang it. Son of a gun. We're going to take a look at this. Ooh, this is really cool. A Nightmaster. Oh, boy. Yeah. We got, did the artwork. Jerry Grenaditti and Dick Giordano. Of course, with Dennis O'Neil writing it. It's pretty cool. This is definitely 60s. Obviously, the 60s. A little Beatles cut. Jim Rook. I think he's a musician there. So, yeah, Jim Rook in concert. There you go. Somehow, some mystic forces involved him. Goes in there. It's in a cave. Talks to an old wizard about magic. Gets in there. Somehow gets a sword. Beats the crap out of these guys. And it's pretty cool. The Mystic Castle. I don't want to get too much into it. But anyways, this is really awesome. I like. Take a look at Undersea Agent real quick. Well, you know what? Let's get into Dick Ayers. The old Dick Meister, Dick Ayers. It's funny, in the 50s, a lot of guys would call themselves Dick without it being offensive. Short for Richard, of course. Dick Johnson, Dick Henry, Dick Ayers, Dick this, Dick that. Now you don't hear so much of it. Because this is part of innocent times. People don't have a gutter mind and like, oh, Dick, your name's Dick. Hey, back then, he had more respect. That's cool. Hey, man, it's awesome. It's like an old-timey car. It smells like a Model T. Look at all this. It's pretty cool. It's like an art instruction. I don't get it. No. In the Army now. Oh, I'm peeling potatoes. I'm so sure some of you guys in the Army did that. Scrubbing them dishes. Peeling taters. This is Army stuff. Okay. It's wild. Assignment 586 Bomb Squadron. Did a lot of war stuff too, obviously. Dick Ayers, yeah, he's drawn like Nick Fury and Howling Commandos, the 60s. He's a very prolific artist. I mean, you can tell he could draw quick. I mean, some of the pages, the way he designed it. I'm a civilian again. Okay. Pretty cool. I thought I had more of a history on this guy here. There's just a lot of pretty much reprints, old stuff. You know, yeah. There's a little bit of backstory here. Okay, cool. All right. Did some plane art, airplane art. This is really cool. That's very interesting. Look at that. A record book. Like a chalk, right. Oh, there you go. Cool. Dick Ayers, everybody. Alright, I'm going to take a look at Undersea Agent. Pop it open. Big tower books, man. 25 cents for a nice thick. I love the thick books, man. I got this one at a pretty decent price. I think it's about $5, maybe less. I can't remember. It's a damn good deal. It's good shape too, man, for something less expensive. There's some early Gil Kane. Look at that, Gil Kane. Goodness, the stance. You can tell. You can tell that's Gil Kane. Just some Gil Kane action. Yeah, Gil Kane's kind of my spirit animal when I'm drawing, on the most part. I know. I've been told, but no. Sometimes I'll try to get it right, Merman. Never heard of Merman. Okay, he's an undersea guy. They trying to rip off Aquaman? No. That can't be. Pretty cool. Lots of details. Showdown on Venus. So you get undersea, you get space, all in one book. And you get your backlight too. Don't forget it, kids. Grayson Productions. Hint, hint. Could it be Dick Grayson? He has a side business in selling backlights. Go figure. You go, Dick Grayson. All right. Well, you got an alien here. Wow. There you go, folks. I'm going to dive into everything. This is it. This is what I got from the old My Comic Shop, a.k.a. Lonestar Comics. Please like, subscribe, ring bell for notifications, comments below. I want to hear your thoughts on these and what other suggestions you'd like to see on Apex Comics. Hey, everyone, have a great, blessed day. Ciao for now.